Oh, hey guys, it's Number41. Welcome back to another toy review / toy video. I want to thank you guys for subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing. I have big news. This Hall of Pain playset does actually work. I never released a video of what was going on. See, I didn't realize that this box contained, or this playset contained 4 AA batteries included, so obviously it goes with the playset. Otherwise, how would you be able to push me if you dare button, which is right here. So anyway, this works with the R3 Tech figures, and I promise you guys that I actually put batteries in it. But I'm gonna show you guys a clip that I obviously is uploaded from my channel, and I made a video trying to put batteries into it and see what would happen. So I have to delete that video because and make a new one, because now the actual playset works, because thanks to my dad, who was a machinist in his pastime, he actually fixed it for me and completely cleaned it out. Spent about an hour cleaning it, so thanks, Dad. Pretty cool. So here's the box. Really quick, I want to show you guys the box. So these are the figures that it actually works with. Remember, R3 Tech, real scan, real reaction, real technology, and real scale. But awesome. So you have Stone Cold Steve Austin, you have Chris Jericho, Chris Benoit, Kane, I want to get that Kane, The Rock, and you have Matt Hardy. Hall of Pain WWF playset. So I'm going to show you guys a clip of what happened when I actually opened this cartridge up for the first time. And remember, these batteries from 2001. So let's I just got done making the video a while ago because I saw my figures out here. But let's go ahead and show you guys the clip of the actual the video that I recorded before this playset actually worked. So here it is, guys.
Look at this. 4 AA batteries included. I didn't know they were actually included, but guys,
this is the video that I made before this video because it didn't work. Now I got the playset working, so I'm going to show you guys it working, but this is the batteries. Those are the batteries.
Absolutely disgusting.
Look how disgusting they are.
Oh my god. I hope this playset still works. We're going to pop.
So these batteries actually came with the playset, and it wasn't working right. So now I actually got the playset working, so we're going to set up this bad boy up, and I'm going to show you how the R3 Tech figures work. Now what I mean by you can use figures that don't work with this playset, you can use them with the Titantron Live figures, but they're not going to make any noise. It's not going to make any noise at all. And this was a really cool thing to have back in 2001, because this playset, you didn't have the little pieces on the foot like the Titantron Live, where it's obviously you can see it. These figures kind of hide it, so you can't see it at all. But they're actually in the feet. You can see where it's kind of cupped around the molding. So pretty awesome. These figures still work. I cannot wait to show you guys this. Let's get this place set up, and I'm going to do some really cool things with it. Watch. So we're going to turn this bad boy on here. So we're going to literally hit the switch here. Bam.
What the?
And there you are. It is now on. So let's move the gray color out of the way here. Let's connect the cardboard pieces together, like so. I can just get the cardboard wall in and put this piece in as well, like so. Shut the door so I can actually see. There we are.
What the?
And I'm just gonna keep doing that. Now here we go, because once you put your hand across it or whatever, this is gonna be awesome, guys. So here we go. We're gonna have The Rock scan. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see. We're gonna have The Rock scan his feet across like this. Oh, it's just working. Hold on.
What the?
So you got that.
The Rock says this goof is a complete idiot. You put his brain in a parakeet, sing, fly backwards.
So literally the same exact, promo from the Trash Talking Station. Then you got Chris Jericho. So you can like have Jericho punch him, like so. Beat him up, but watch. Now hold on. It was just working, guys. Give me a second.
Don't ever mess with Chris Jericho.
So like.
Don't ever mess with Chris Jericho.
So it's pretty awesome. I mean, at least it works. But if you guys want me to do more like react or more videos like this, please smash the like button. And if you want me to buy all these figures in the playset, please let me know. I'm gonna try and get a figure that doesn't go with this playset, like the Undertaker, and see what happens. Hold on. So here we are. By the way, this is the only part that makes the sound effect right here. Other than that, the doors and stuff don't make the sound effect. I'm not. Yeah, the door just kind of open up and close. Oh, the wall fell down. But the batteries, I can't believe that this playset actually works. This is phenomenal. But again, I'll show you guys what I mean by you can use whatever figure you want. These figures are the only figures that you can scan across to make it work. But other than that, it's still fun to have. Gotta make sure that figures feet are actually. It's hard because you gotta. That works, but now it's a pain. It's like Titantron Live, but it's just not seen.
Don't ever mess
There we go.
with Chris Jericho.
But let's see what happens when you scan across like the Undertaker. This is an R3 Tech figure. Let's scan across the Undertaker, see what happens. See if it makes like the Titantron Live or another person's plays another song or something.
What the?
No, it just says what the. Oh, because he doesn't go to this playset. I get it.
What the?
Yeah. So, and then obviously doesn't recognize, so you can have the Rock.
The Rock says this goof is a complete idiot. You put his brain in a parakeet, sing, fly backwards.
And then you can also still have the figures. Click the door wide open with the. Put his foot right there, and it's gonna release the door. Bam. But as I was saying, guys, you can actually use any other figure you want with it. Shut the playset off, and you still can have Mick Foley body slam Jericho and beat him up backstage, run him into the wall, and throw him through the door or through the whole backstage. Or have Jericho get gored by Rhino through the door. Or have Rhino's face in the door like this, and then have Jericho. Oh no! Or have the Commissioner Foley eating lunch, and all of a sudden the Undertaker comes through the door and realizes he took all the food. He gives him a choke slam through a table. Or have Commissioner Foley on the table and Jericho all the way up top. Oh, but he doesn't break the table because how light he is, so the Rock gives the Rock elbow through a table. The best part about this playset is also you could turn the playset around like this and still play on the other side of it. So it's like there's 2 rooms, 3 rooms, which is awesome. You still can, pick up tables and stuff, have the Great Khali in there for no reason, and have him choke slam Rhino through a table. Oh, God almighty. Then Commissioner Foley comes in, and he comes in through the door with a door, like so. And now the Great Khali, kicks him in the face. So there's still so much stuff you could do with this playset. And then have like Jericho get thrown over the wall. So like you can have, oh no, Great Khali now going in through the door. He throws Jericho through a table and goes out the doorway. Opens the door up this way. Oh no, and knocks himself out and breaks the wall. But again, if you guys want me to actually get like Stone Cold, get Stone Cold Steve Austin, Chris Benoit, Kane, and Matt Hardy, and put this playset together again and show you guys what they all sound like, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I deleted the other video that I made because there's no point in putting it up because it didn't work. So thank you for watching. Guys, don't forget to check the description below for more videos, and you guys don't forget to stay awesome. See you guys later. One more table moment. Here we go. The Undertaker's on one of those tables. Rhino now about to jump. Oh, and he breaks one of the tables. The Rock off the top of the door. Oh, are you kidding me? No, The Rock now gonna get a choke slam. Oh, there we go. Thank you guys for watching again, and don't forget to stay awesome. See you guys later.